What's up, guys? So this one's going to be interesting. After running a truck mount for the last 6 years, I'm forced to use my portable. And we're going to see what pains I get from doing this, or whether it's not bad at all. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so first off, it's kind of messy because I don't run this setup a lot. My other van's in the shop. My truck mount's getting worked on, and I need to use the portable. I need some hot water extraction for some pet problems and stuff. So yeah, so not as organized as I'd like to be, and I think I might set this up for, I don't know, I'm caught in the middle, but I'm so glad I have another van so I can actually keep my business running. So anyway, got the portable back there, kicking it. Got everything in here. I got my VLM stuff in case I have to do that. And I got 3 jobs today. But yeah, we're gonna see. Like I said, I've been spoiling myself for the last 6 years with the truck mount, and haven't had to pull that thing out at all, except to do a couple of hotel jobs. But as far as residential, and my first job's upstairs, downstairs. So yeah. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. So thank God I got the portable, because we're doing a full-on pet treatment. Green Rhino cocktail. That's everywhere, right? We're doing every square inch. It's got odor, and it's early in the morning. So stomach's a little woozy. It's too much for me this early. All right, so upstairs, everywhere. Green Rhino cocktail. I'm gonna go ahead and boost my pre-spray right now, and get to working. Edwin's vacuuming, bringing out the hoses and stuff. I'm gonna have to pull that portable upstairs. I have that long of hoses, and here it is. All right, stay tuned. All right, out of my Go Oxy, but we got this evacuate product. It's a blast detonator. Same thing, pretty much. Same dilutions, and cigarette size for my Green Rhino cocktail, and I'm just boasting my pre-spray by Carpet Details. That's what the Green Rhino cocktail is, guys, in case you're wondering. Like, show the stains. So while he's scrubbing with the machine, I'm gonna head and hit the stairs with this. Agitate it all in. All right, getting this up here, I got him to help me. By myself, I just have to pull it up stair by stair. Kind of heavy, kind of a pain. This is why I want the truck mounts. All right, so we got 2 cords there, one for the heater, one for everything else. Not even gonna worry about the heater, right? Most of the work's done in the chemistry. All we're doing is rinsing it out now. I don't need hot water. I'm gonna go ahead and get some warm water, as hot as I can get, and put it in here, but waiting for that water to heat up, and when it's already hot. Now if you're in a case where there is no hot water, maybe do that, but don't sit around, right? I'm not gonna sit around, because hot water is really not too necessary in carpet cleaning. Helps, but not necessary. All right, already put a 5-gallon bucket in there. I'm not sure how many gallons this thing holds because it's been so long, but I think probably around 7 gallons. All right, as you can tell, it's looking good. Actually looking pretty good. But first thing I noticed when I turned on this machine, the vacuum on these things after you've been using the truck mount is horrible. It feels like nothing because the truck mount is so powerful. So yeah, no, I wouldn't want to be working every day with a portable with this low of CFM. I'm not sure what it is, it's very low. So I just made a video yesterday talking about look for CFM, higher the better if you're getting a portable. All right, faster dry times. Finished up. Smells a lot better. I gotta get these ceiling fan on somehow. That's a long ways up there. There we go. Yeah, so it smells a lot better. It looks a lot better. No more stains. So chemistry is the most important thing. Vacuum, number 2. So, you know, doing the portable thing is, you know, you get spoiled off the truck mounts, guys. People say, oh, you know, truck mount, yeah, it is expensive, man, but you know, you get that power and the simplicity of the setup, you know, with it. So, and plus you can expand your services. So. That helped. All right, we're at the next house. We're doing VLM on this one. As you can tell, got the vibe out. So yeah, it wasn't a big pet problem on this one. So yeah, customer has no problem with VLM. A little moisture for cleaning. All right, third job of the day. Doing another pet treatment in one room, and then we're just gonna clean the rest of it with the portable also. So trying to get a routine back with this portable stuff, but everything's vacuumed, pre-sprayed, and Edwin's scrubbing where needed. And yeah, where can you go? All right, so to help with dry times, because the vacuum on, I don't love it, so it's going to take a little longer to dry. So I'm just going to go over it with some bonnets. All right, then you get really fast dry times. All right, pulling out, all went well. You know, it was, if it was by myself, and I didn't have a helper, this day would have took me probably at least an hour longer. So, but if I was by myself and I was doing a truck mount, or using a truck mount, then it probably would have took me about the same amount of time. So that's why people spend all that money on truck mounts. But can it be done with the portable? Sure it can. It's going to take you longer. You have longer dry times, but you can do stuff like what I did, is you go over it with the bonnet, that'll get those quick dry times. But even I offer that with my truck mount carpet cleaning, but I charge extra for that. So if they want fast dry times, like 2 hours, you know, 1 to 2 hours, then I'll go ahead and charge them extra. Doesn't take long. All right, guys, so if you like this one, let me know below. We'll see you in the next one.